Hi guys, I would like to share my trip from Cubao Station to Baguio. So, ang bus na pinili ko going to Baguio is Joy Bus Premium and it costs 880 pesos one way going to Baguio. At ang maganda dito, may free water, biscuit at blanket. Yung kumot naman ay kailangan na ibalik sa kanila after you use it. Ang travel time from Cubao to Baguio, it will take you 4 to 5 hours. Since this is a express bus. And since solo traveler ako, the best place I can recommend for solo traveler like me is Tribu Hostel. Ang maganda dito ay safe dahil may PIN na ibibigay sa inyo para makapasok kayo sa loob ng Tribu Hostel. At ang maganda dito ay napaka-affordable overnight stay for solo travelers like me. At ayan, pagkapasok nyo, ito ang bubungad sa inyo is stairs. So, ayan, naakyat lang dyan. Ayan. And this is the reception area. Ayan. And on that side is the pantry area. So, before you enter your room, kailangan i-enter ulit ang PIN. So, this is how it looks like pagpasok mo sa room. May kanya-kanyang pod. Pipili ka. And take note, magkaiba ang price kung gusto mong matulog sa taas at sa baba. At sa bandang likod, ito naman ang view makikita mo. O, diba? Ganda ng view sa labas. At lalo na sa gabi, makikita mo ang mga ilaw ng mga bahay sa labas. So, this is their hot type at iba naman ang pricing nila per night. And this is the pantry area where you can bring your own food. At ang maganda dito ay pwede din sa mga nag-work from home. Dito sila nagtatrabaho. At maganda dito, may sariling rep, refilled water. And take note, may free complimentary brewed coffee for every night stay. And they do also provide utensils like spoon, fork, plates, coffee mugs, everything that you need. At dito naman sa taas, meron silang sariling restaurant where you can buy iced coffee, food, and drinks. Where you can stay with your friends, kung may kasama ka, and pwede din sa mga solo travelers like me. Ayan. Yan yung view makikita mo every morning. Lalo na pag gabi, napakaganda ng view sa labas. At maganda dito ay may convenience store sa baba kung gusto mo kumain ng ramyun. And yan, Freedom Mall, pwede ka mag-post. So, this is their walk-in rates. And to save more than 15%, kailangan mag-booking through online. And ang maganda dito ay malapit sa lahat ng tourist spot and it is a commute-friendly sa mga walang dalang sasakyan. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope this tip is very helpful for you guys, especially sa mga solo travelers like me. Enjoy your stay here in Baguio. Bye for now!